Hi everyone, welcome back to Noun and Updates, where we normally break down complex stuff for you and guide you on things that you need to do by yourself. Today, I'll be guiding you on how to print your student ID card. It's very seamless and you should know how to print your student ID card by yourself. Just go to your browser, type nouonline.net. It's going to take you to this page. This is the page for it. Here's the page for it. It's going to take you to this page and what you need to do is to click on students. Once you click on student like this, click on login. Once you click on login, take you to this login page. So this login page now, then you're going to put your matric number and password. After you click on number and password, click on submit. Once you click on submit, it's going to take you to this page. This is it. Once you click on submit, it's going to take you to this page. Remember, you want to print your student ID card. You're going to see your information. You're going to see your ID card, your passport and everything here. Please note if you have not put your passport, you have to put your passport. There's a video on step by step guide that I did on how to successfully input your passport. But if your passport is on your portal already, all you just need to do is come to this tags, click on view your ID card. This is where you're going to click on. Once you click on view your ID card like this, once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page that is going to preview your ID card for you. This is your ID card. You see, it's going to show your picture here. It's going to show your matric number, your full name, your program, your study center, your the section that that is currently on. It might not necessarily be your semester. So the semester that we're currently on in the student in the school calendar. So this is your front page, this is your back page. You can go to any cyber cafe or just find a way and print it out. Print it out as normal. You can print it out normal A4 paper. Then you cut it and you fold it and laminate it. You can laminate it. You can also print it out like this. Or you also print it out. You can also go to cyber cafe. They will help you to print it out in card. If you want to put it, I want it to be in the ID card, normal card, plastic card. You can print it out. Just go there. They're going to print it out for you. But if you just want to have it as paper, just make sure that you print it out. You go to you laminate it. You laminate it. Then this is how to print your student ID card with ease. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and share our videos and like. Thank you once again. See you next. Bye.